Hi everybody, it's me. I'm trying to make a new video for you. So let's see what you see here. I first did the sketch digitally in Photoshop using the Wacom tablet, and then I printed it out and used the light table to trace the lines. I corrected a little bit here and there, but in general the image was already set. And here you can see what happens to you when you try to save money by using a cheaper paper. The color is not, you can't control the color and the flow of the water anymore because it makes such big waves. But it was not so important for this image because I knew that I was going to work over it digitally anyway. Also with the colors of the fishes and the plants, water plants, it's not that important because I'm going over it anyways. I just need the textures and a nice colors here and there to pick from. So I put in some basic colors and some hints of shadows, and then I brought it into Photoshop for adding sunlight at first steps in the sunlight and shadows. I wasn't so happy with the result of the brown kind of color that appeared then in the upper leaf, but no worries, I could work over it later. Then I added some shadows and darker areas in a bluish tone. After that I created a mask for the ocean and to paint the water a little bit, make the water a little bit more shiny. And I went on with some cleanup for the plants and made them a little bit more interesting in color. Also little details, the rocks, the fishes. And also you can see I put some sunlight on the ground of the ocean, in the sand, where you see the moving reflections typically. Yeah, and the rest is mostly cleaning up and adding in some details and creating some harder edges on the stones and rocks, and making sure that things look soft where they should be soft. Yep, we need some eyes for the fishes. The next step is really important. Here I'm making sure that the surface of the water is really visible, as well as the ground, so you can see through the water but also the reflections on top of the water. This is made through the white reflections on top. Okay, and then nothing left but putting in some indications of fur so that you can see that it's a mouse. So I hope you really liked this video and can take something out of it. Also, I want to thank you, my patrons, so much. I really enjoy to setting up this stuff for you, these posts. It leads me to work really strategic and in one direction, and also I like your feedback and all the stuff that we can discuss about. I really enjoy that, so thank you. I wish you a nice day, enjoy the sun, and yeah, take care. See ya.